Life with Donna vlogs. I'm so excited that you joined me today because today I'm teaching you how to make my favorite green smoothie recipe from Nekter juice bar. Now this juice is called the Toxin Flush and I absolutely love it because I love how it makes me feel. Every time I drink this drink, I feel refreshed. I feel like my immune system gets a boost. But I don't always feel like paying $10 for the really large drink that they sell at Nekter Juice Bar. So today I'm going to teach you how to make it from home. It's super simple, and the ingredients that go into this green smoothie recipe that makes it so great. You know, any type of green smoothie that you make from home is always a good idea because green smoothies are packed with nutrients and vitamins and live enzymes that your body needs to recover, to heal, to feel great, and to fight off cancer or any other diseases that may be roaming around in your system. So if you want to learn how to make the Toxin Flush smoothie recipe from home, please keep watching. And also, just a quick note, if you are new to Life with Donna vlogs, welcome to my community. I don't want you to leave without subscribing because my goal for this channel is really to see you flourish in your everyday life. I want you to be successful spiritually, physically, emotionally, in every single area. And I do that by creating vlogs that are really going to help you get there, by teaching you the things that I have learned along the way to help me in my journey. So if you are new, click that subscribe button and that notification bell right there so that you can be the first one to know every single time I upload a new video. And I just want you to know too that I read all of your comments. I really make it a point to give you the things that you want to see on this channel. So if you have a suggestion for my next vlog, comment down below and let me know, and who knows, you may just see it on the next vlog. Okay, let's get into today's video. First of all, let's talk about the ingredients that go into making this smoothie. So the first thing you're going to need is 2 cups of water. You're also going to need half of a lemon juice. And you're going to need about 2 honeycrisp or gala apples, depending on which ones are your favorite. I love either or. These happen to be honeycrisp. And how much you put of the apples just depends on how sweet you want your green drink to taste. I love it to be very sweet. So I'm going to add about 2 apples, 2 full apples that I just sliced, as you can see here. And I'm going to add this to my smoothie. You're also going to want a handful of kale for the extra punch in vitamins. And I chopped off about a handful of parsley that I'm going to use for this green smoothie recipe as well. You're also going to want ginger. Now, you gotta be a little careful with ginger because it's very potent. I don't like too much of a gingery taste in my green smoothie, so I'm only gonna add about 2 little cubes that I already chopped off ahead of time for my smoothie. So just be careful with how much you're adding. But ginger is really great because it's full of anti-inflammatory properties that are really gonna help you if you're dealing with any sort of inflammation in your body. So make sure you add that as well. Last but not least, you're gonna want a nice handful of organic spinach that is clean and washed and ready to go. Okay, and now we're gonna go ahead and use our Vitamix that's back here. We're gonna add it to the blender one by one. So I'm gonna start off by adding the 2 cups of cold water. Next, we're gonna go ahead and add the spinach. And also the kale. Next, we're gonna add the parsley. And now we're gonna add the apples. Next, we're gonna add the ginger. And last but not least, I'm gonna add this lemon juice. So I'm just gonna go ahead and squeeze it all on the top of the apples, just like so. Make sure you get that good juice in there. Lemon is really great for detoxifying your body. It's awesome. And just juicing in general really helps you, cleanse out your system, get rid of all those toxins in your body, and just really give your body a healthy start to start off your day. And we are going to blend. Okay, so you want to start on like a low speed, so I'm starting at like the number 2 in my Vitamix. Once I know it's really gotten going, then I'm gonna move it up to 5. Now I'm gonna do 6. Okay, and you know that it's pretty much done when you see everything blended and all you see is the green in there. And now I'm just gonna pour it into this glass cup. And there you have it. Your green smoothie recipe from Nekter Juice Bar is all done. Cheers! It tastes so, so good. I just love this green smoothie recipe because I love how it makes me feel. And the great thing about making it on the Vitamix is that all the pulp and all the vitamins are still in your smoothie. So this is great because the pulp is where all your fiber is, and you need fiber to really flush out the toxins in your body. So I actually prefer this over the one that they sell at the Nekter Juice Bar because the Nekter Juice Bar only has the juice of all these vitamins that, you know, all these vegetables that are in it. So this is really great. So cheers. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless you. See you next time. Bye.